Dear grade 12 students, welcome to a new English language session. In this video, we will practice together comparing and contrasting pictures. That's why I would like you to get your student's book and have it opened on page 87. As usual, in the beginning of each video lesson, we will have a look on the learning objectives. Today's video lesson has two learning objectives. So by the end of this video, you'll be able first to compare and contrast two types of holiday with the help of two visuals using correct expressions and vocabulary. Second, to compare and contrast two means of transport with the help of two visuals using correct expressions and vocabulary. First, let's warm up with the starter activity. We are looking for a secret word composed of 8 letters. To find this secret word, you need to find the 8 words with the help of the definitions on your right hand. So please pause this video here and give it a try. Well done. Let's find our secret word. The first word is a place to stay in when we travel. What is it? Excellent. Hotel. Number 2, you do it for a hotel room or a ticket. What is it? Exactly. Booking. Then the third word, you can stay in a hotel in full board or grade half board. Now for the fourth word is the place you are traveling to is called what? Excellent. Destination. Then number 5, when you have a small amount of money for something, you say that you are on a tight what? That's it, on a tight budget. Then number 6, when we move from one place to another, we say that we are great, we travel. Then number 7, swimmers enjoy lying on beaches. So which adjective here we can use for beaches? Excellent. Sandy beaches. The last word, a lot of people choose to stay in a seaside what? Great. In a seaside resort. So here our secret word appears. It's a holidays. Let's start with the first objective. So I want you to look at these two pictures and compare between them. So please pause this video here and spend some time thinking about what the pictures illustrate. Well done. Let's find out. So the first picture shows holidaying in luxurious hotels and resorts, which offers comfort and total relaxation. However, the second picture shows adventure holidays that involve extreme sports like the activity shown in the picture, which we call whitewater rafting. Now, in this activity, we will try to find out together what do people find appealing about these types of holidays. But first, let's do some vocabulary work. Please pause this video here and try to figure out the meaning of all-inclusive, getaway, tranquil. Well done. Let's correct. So all-inclusive means that the booking price includes everything: your stay, the food, the drinks, the entertainment, etc. For example, they spent 4 nights in an all-inclusive resort. The next word, getaway, which means a short trip to relax. For example, sometimes a weekend getaway is all you need to relax. Then the word tranquil is a synonym to a quiet and peaceful. For example, the beach is very busy at the weekends, but during the week it's very tranquil. We carry on with the same task. So again, please pause this video here and try to find out what the following words or phrases mean. Excellent. So sea breeze means the light, cool, pleasant wind that touches our faces in summer, especially when we stay by the sea. For example, it is hot today, but at least there is a breeze. Then the word challenging, which means difficult but interesting enough to make you want to try it. For example, mountain climbing is a challenging hobby. Then the last word is adrenaline filled, which is an adjective we use to describe an activity that is exciting and thrilling. For example, he prefers water skiing or other adrenaline-filled activities to lying on the beach. Now, let's start with the first type of holiday. I want you to tell me what people find appealing about staying in resorts and hotels. You can use the following. The holiday type in this picture offers a combination of luxury, relaxation, opportunity, escape, busy schedule, enjoy, facilities offered, or just come up with a response using your own words and ideas. So please pause this video here and do the task. Well done. I suggest that you say, the holiday type in this picture offers a combination of luxury and relaxation, which gives people the opportunity to escape from their busy schedule and enjoy the facilities offered, or any similar answer. You will carry on with the same activity. This time I suggest that you use the following. Holiday makers who enjoy will be attracted to relaxing, comfortable, tranquil environment type of holiday. Now please pause this video here and do the task. Well done. Let's check it out. So you can say holiday makers who enjoy relaxing in a comfortable and tranquil environment will be attracted to the type of holiday in picture number 1, or any similar answer. Now we will do the same thing with the next holiday type. We will provide you with the following prompts. Can be particularly appealing to, On the other hand, whitewater rafting, look for adrenaline-filled, spend, and holiday. So please pause this video here and find out what people find appealing about the holiday type shown in this picture. Excellent. So I recommend that you say, on the other hand, whitewater rafting can be particularly appealing to people who are looking for an adrenaline-filled way to spend their holiday, or any other possible answer. Now we will compare and contrast two pictures that show two different means of transport. Can you name them? That's it. We have flying or traveling by plane and traveling by car. In this activity, you are required to mention the advantages and disadvantages of each means of transport. Of course, advantages means the positive side, and disadvantages means the negative side. As we have done previously with the first holiday type, we will begin with a vocabulary task. So please pause this video here and try to figure out what the following words or phrases mean. Well done. Let's start with convenient, which means suitable. Then fare means the money we pay for transport, like the fare we pay for traveling by plane or using taxi or using a bus. Next, stopover, which means a short stay in a place that you make while you are on a longer journey to somewhere else. The next word is travel sickness, which means needing to vomit, which some people get in a moving vehicle. As for admire scenery, means look at the natural environment with pleasure. And finally, delays means cause something to be late. Now, I would like you to tell me about the positive side and the negative side of flying. I propose that you use the following. Traveling by is considered one of the ways to travel because, on the other hand, much faster, long distances, safest, tickets, expensive, travel sickness, turbulence during flight, or simply also you can use your own ideas. So please pause this video here and do the task. Well done. Let's see what we have. I suggest that you say traveling by plane is considered one of the most convenient ways to travel because it is much faster for long distances and much safer than other means of transport. On the other hand, plane tickets are usually expensive and passengers might experience travel sickness because of turbulence during flights, or any other possible answer where you have used your own ideas. Now you will do the same thing for traveling by car. Try to find out the advantages and disadvantages of this means of transport. And these are the prompts which may help you. One of the most important advantages of traveling by is, however, one disadvantage of traveling by is control your own traveling, give chance, admire the scenery, spend a lot of money, petrol, dangerous. And of course, as the previous activities, you can come up with your own ideas. So please pause this video here and do the task. Well done. Let's check it out. So you can say, one of the most important advantages of traveling by car is the feeling of being in control of your own traveling. And it also gives you the chance to admire the scenery. However, one disadvantage of traveling by car is that you usually spend a lot of petrol, and it can also be dangerous. Now, as a closure activity, we are going to personalize the topic, which means you are going to speak about yourself. So imagine that you could go on a 2-week holiday. We want you to tell us, would you prefer holidaying in a luxurious resort or opt for an activity that involves extreme sports? And of course, you need to say why. Then, which means of transport do you prefer when you go on holiday, and also you justify your choice. To help you, we suggest that you use the following. When I go on holiday, I enjoy, so I would definitely choose. Or you can use I think is the best choice when. Of course, you can write your answers in your notebook and discuss it with your teacher on Microsoft Teams or when you go to school. Now you know how to compare and contrast two pictures using appropriate vocabulary and expressions. This is the end of today's video lesson. Thank you very much for being attentive, and I remind you again that this video will be available on Microsoft Teams. Goodbye and see you in other video lessons.